So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to animate a video or add animations to a video here on Visme. So once you're inside of Visme, what I want you to do is add or go to the left hand side of your screen and add a video to your design. So we're going to go to the media tab right here and press on media. Then once you're here, what I want you to do is add a video to your design. So we're going to go ahead and go to the search bar right here at the top. And how about we search up cars, because cars are always a fun thing to watch videos of. So if you wanted this, nice sports car right here, we'll go ahead and make this a bit of a larger video so you guys can see it easier. Just like that. Now, if you wanted to add animations to this video or you wanted to animate the video or whatever, it's pretty straightforward. What I want you to do is actually press on the video right here. Go to this top bar right here to where it says animate, align to, effects, etc. And as you guys would probably assume, press on animate right here. Now, if you go to the left hand side of your screen, you can go ahead and animate, or add some animations to the video. So if you wanted to maybe make it show up from the top, you can do that. You can swing it, you can fly swing it, you can rise it up, whatever the case may be. You can play around with it this way. You can do slow, you can do fast, you can do slow. Play around with it. It's pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can apply animations to videos or animated video here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.